Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will learn how to change your slide into a photo or change into a JPEG format. The first step is to look at your slide and make sure your slide is ready to change this. The next step is easy. Click on File menu and at the bottom we have Export option. After this you have many more options, but we work with change file type. Here is more options as well, but we have JPEG and PNG formats. Once you select JPEG file interchange format, then click on Save As. Now you can choose where you want to save your photo. You can change format from here as well, but I just want to save here and I give a name as well. And here is all slides or just this one. If you have more you can do it in a click, but I just click just this one. Now the thing is almost done. Let's see how it looks like. Here is my photo which I change, and it is soft and very good. However, I didn't work with many options, but you can edit this photo now in your own computer without using any other application or any software. Now you have many more designs. You can adjust everything you want, brightness, clarity, or you can save a copy and you can cancel this one. Thanks for watching this video.